The Nizam, the world's richest man and ruler of 16 million people, has been given a breathing space. In the past, there has always been the British Raj, although Hyderabad was aloof from British India. Now bloodshed has been averted, at least for 12 months. For a state the size of England and Wales, the future is uncertain.
In 1948, Hyderabad's destiny shifted as it integrated into the Indian Union through Operation Polo. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new chapter, blending its royal legacy with the democratic ethos of a burgeoning nation. The subsequent decades saw concerted efforts to modernize Hyderabad. Infrastructure projects commenced, educational institutions were established, and the city began to position itself as a center of learning and administration. The 1990s ushered in an era of technological advancement. Visionary leadership and strategic investments transformed Hyderabad into Cyberabad. A hub for information technology and innovation. Hyderabad stands as a symbol of resilience and progress. From royal palaces to towering tech hubs, it honors its past while shaping the future. Home to giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, the city is now India's rising tech capital, drawing global attention and redefining innovation, cementing its status as India's true tech capital. Hyderabad's transformation didn't happen overnight. It took vision, it took leadership, and it took the belief that this city could be more than just its past. The city isn't just growing, it's redefining success. It's setting the benchmark for smart cities, innovation, and global business. And yet, this is just the beginning. Global tech giants have made this city their home. Over 3 lakh crore rupees in IT exports, more than 1,500 tech companies, and countless startups born each month. From infrastructure to innovation, everything has been fast-forwarded. World-class roads, one of India's fastest-growing metro systems, and smart connectivity at every corner. Today, Hyderabad is not just a city, it's a vision that came alive, a name that's shining on global tech maps. But this city isn't just about code and corporations. This is the city of pearls.
For centuries, it was known as the City of Pearls, famous around the world for its beautiful gems, rare stones, and rich trade. Hyderabad is considered as the largest trading center for pearls in India. Hyderabad is one of the most loved cities in India and a tourist hub. For those in love with all things historical, Hyderabad is a fascinating city that's marked by dynasties, empires, and cultural exchanges. this city is planning not just for today, but for the next 50 years. Projects like Pharma City, Aero City, and Mobility Valley are turning Hyderabad into a global innovation hub. But even in this race to the future, the soul of Hyderabad stays grounded in culture, in kindness, and in its people. Hyderabad is also the heart of cinema. Ramoji Film City, the world's biggest film studio, stands proudly here, a place where dreams are turned into stories every day. From the streets of history to the skyline of the future, Hyderabad is about to rewrite what a city can be. This isn't the end of Hyderabad's story. It's the beginning of its next chapter,